What's going on, guys? KSP Performance has sent me out some of their black spiked lug nuts, so I'm gonna put them on the workbench and let's check them out and then get them installed. Here's the box they come in, so let's open that up and let's take a look at the lug nut up close. So it's got a gloss finish to it, looks pretty good. And then they also send out a deep well socket. It's a 1/2" drive, which is perfect because that's what my torque wrench is. So I'm gonna get these all unboxed and we'll see what they look like on the Trail Boss. Let's give you an up-close look at what they would look like on the truck. So the unfortunate thing is gonna be that you would have to go back and paint where that silver is from the factory lug because it's a little bit wider. And here's a shot from the side. All right, let's get these back lugs off. So they are both on now, so let's take a look at both of them together. I think these would look a lot better once you paint the inside of that, but honestly, you can't even really tell that they're spiked. You kind of gotta look at them from the side and then you can definitely tell. So these do kind of blend in with that black wheel and really you can't tell. I want to give you a true idea of what this would look like, so I'm going to use my Sharpie and we're going to paint inside. So not the best example, but it gives you a little bit better idea of what it would look like if it was all painted. I personally don't mind the chrome lug nuts. I actually like a little bit of contrast, but I did want to give y'all an option if you did want to change the look of your factory wheels. So I appreciate y'all watching this. If you liked it, give it the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.